Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English with Podcast. I'm Sam, and I'm really glad you're here with me today. In this episode, we're going to talk about motivation in language learning, how to stay strong, how to keep moving forward, and how to enjoy learning English, even when it feels challenging. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I choose simple words, and I repeat important ideas to help you understand more easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak along with me. This kind of practice is called shadowing. You listen first, then you repeat after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Learning English is not easy, and that's completely okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow sometimes. You are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. Time to listen, time to practice, time to understand, and time to grow and improve. Some days learning feels exciting and fun. Other days it feels difficult. That's just part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, simply keep going. Even small steps matter. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak quickly. You don't need to know every word. You only need to try and continue slowly and gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something challenging, and you are doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the path feels easy, and sometimes it feels steep. Sometimes you may want to stop, but when you look back, you'll see how far you've already come. You've learned new words. You've listened. You've practiced. You've improved. Even if you don't notice it yet, you're no longer at the starting point. You are moving upward. You are getting stronger. So don't give up. Some people learn faster, others more slowly, but everyone needs one important thing: motivation. Motivation isn't magic. It's not always loud or exciting. Sometimes it's quiet. It's that small voice inside that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just one more minute." And sometimes that's enough. If you feel tired, rest and then come back. If you feel confused, take a breath and try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return again and again. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it's for your career. Maybe it's for travel. Maybe it's simply because you enjoy it. Your reason matters. Your reason is powerful, and your reason will help you stay motivated. Every day you practice English, you move forward, even if it's only 5 minutes, even if you're just listening, even if you're just trying. You are growing, and you should be proud of yourself. You're doing something many people are afraid to do. You're learning a new language. You're opening a door to the world, and that takes courage. So stay motivated. Stay patient. Be kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to continue. Now, let's talk honestly about tired days. Some days you feel busy, stressed, or unmotivated. You think, "I don't want to study today." And that's okay. Rest is normal. Your brain needs it. But even on hard days, you can keep moving forward. Here are a few simple ideas. First tip, do something small. You don't need an hour. You don't need a big lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen for 5 minutes, read a short paragraph, or repeat one sentence. Even 1 minute counts. Learning English isn't about doing a lot once. It's about doing a little again and again. Second tip, remember your reason. Why are you learning English? For work? For study? To connect with people around the world? Or just for fun? On difficult days, remind yourself why you started. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close. Your reason gives you energy when you feel tired. Third tip, make it easy to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect mood. Put your book where you can see it. Save a video on your phone. Set a short timer. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is to begin. Once you start, continuing becomes easier. Fourth tip, be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm slow or I'm bad at English. Instead, say, I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing my best. You are human and you are growing. You deserve kindness, especially from yourself. Fifth tip, celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win too. Small victories matter. Notice them. Smile about them. They are proof that you're moving forward. Now, in the next part, I'll use slightly longer sentences, still slow, still simple, to help improve your listening step by step. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and follow the meaning. Learning takes time, and sometimes progress is hard to see. You may wonder if your effort is working, but the truth is this: you are improving, even if you don't notice it yet. One helpful way to see progress is to write things down. Keep a small notebook. Write new words, short sentences, or what you practiced that day. Even one sentence is enough. When you look back later, you'll be surprised by how much easier things feel. Another great idea is to record your voice. Use your phone and say a few simple sentences. Then record again a week later. When you listen, you'll hear more confidence and clearer pronunciation. That's real progress. Also, pay attention to small moments of understanding. When a sentence makes sense without effort. When you watch a video without subtitles. Or when you speak without translating in your head. These quiet moments are big victories. Don't only look forward, look back too. Think about what you couldn't do a month ago. Compare it to what you can do now. Slow progress is still progress. Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't need to be faster than others. You just need to keep going. There is joy in learning, joy in understanding one sentence, in speaking for a few seconds, in remembering a word from last week. Many learners fear making mistakes, but mistakes are not failure. They are how learning happens. Just like a child learning to walk, you learn by trying, falling, and trying again. So speak anyway, write anyway, practice anyway. Be brave. Learning doesn't always have to be serious. You can listen to music, watch videos, talk to yourself, or read things you enjoy. When learning feels enjoyable, your brain remembers more. Finally, let's talk about your future. English isn't just a subject, it's a tool. It connects you to people, ideas, opportunities, and the world. It gives you more choices, more freedom, and more confidence. You've reached the end of this episode, and I want you to know this: I'm proud of you. You're building a skill that can truly change your life. What matters most is that you are trying, growing, and showing up. I'm Sam, and this is English with Podcast. Thank you for being here. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.